I'm making steak tonight. And they're gonna make some mashed potatoes and some greens on the side. I've had this steak sitting out for maybe like 45 minutes to an hour. Put a bunch of salt on it. The moisture's coming out, so we're gonna pat this dry, because moisture is what we do not want when trying to get a nice sear in the steak. I'm gonna do one more coating of salt and leave it out for like another 5-10 minutes while we prep this. Let's get our potatoes going. Just 2 russet potatoes. Going to cube them up in like equal pieces so they can get nice and tender. Give them 1 rinse. You're gonna fill them up, bring them to a boil. A little dirty water. And I'm gonna have it with some vermouth. People in Spain drink vermouth with like every meal. This is just some cheap sweet vermouth. I think they pair pretty nicely together. Pan on, get this pan nice and hot. Use any high smoke point oil. You want to wait till it shimmers. While we wait, let me tell you about Dirty Water. It's my hard seltzer I launched last year. Call it like the dive bar hard seltzer. A lot of inspiration from PBR, High Life. Only one flavor, like a dry hard seltzer. Not too sweet, not too carbonated. Notes of pear, lemon, malt. Drinks like a beer, crushable, easy. I've had like 15 of them in one night. No hangover, no sugar substitutes. Just fucking easy drinking. Anyway, steak in. And don't fucking touch it. Put it down for like a couple seconds. Okay, you touch it once because we're gonna move it because this part got cold. We're gonna move it over, and now we're not gonna touch it. We like our steak very rare, so we're gonna do like 2.5-3 minutes on each side. It's like a nice like inch and a quarter steak. Take it off, have it rest for a while. Make sure your tongs work. When the potatoes are fork tender, we're gonna take them out. Take some of the smoke out. Gonna flip. Do the sides a little bit. Turn it down. A couple garlic cloves. Big knob of butter. Taste it. Off. And that's it for a bit. Potatoes are done. Rice, potatoes. Just a quick, simple mashed potato. Okay. Low heat. Cubes of frozen butter. Adding a couple at a time. Then mixing them in. We're going to be using a lot of butter in here. We're looking for a silky consistency. Then we're going to add in a little bit of heavy cream and then season it. Most of the cubes in. Little heavy cream at a time. And this is really to the consistency that you want. Nice amount of salt, white pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. Let's try it. That works. Now just a little salad, just some greens. So we're gonna put some greens in this bowl, breaking them up into smaller segments. And we're just gonna dress them up a little bit with a little bit of lemon, a little bit of olive oil, splash of balsamic, flaky salt, some pepper. Nice and simple. And we have all these olives too to eat it with. Let's cut this steak. Nice and rare. The edges are going to be more medium rare. Mashed potatoes. Okay, and that is it. Dinner is served. You know what, I'm going to add a little bit of cheese just to finish it off. Just a little cheese on the greens, and we're good. All right, dinner served. Goodbye.